This concludes Ms. Ramirez's class. And now for Mrs. Leon's first grade class. Our first student, Mohammed Qasim Abdullah. Principal's Award, All A Honor Roll, and Mini Millionaire Trophy. Roberto Cantu, AB Honor Roll Readers, Our Leaders Award, and Mini Millionaire Trophy.